people who are still doubtful in network marketing?
Okay, hello everybody, hello to all the Hawks International team and the new people that are going to join the team. I'd like to share this very important tip or probably an advice that I have personally seen. We're in an industry that's really challenging, but all you need to do is be focused in life. If you know what you're selling, if you know your plan better, if you know the person that you're going to meet, and if you prepare yourself, do your homework before you meet anybody to do any kind of presentation, it's a sale. So don't go half information to make a sale. Go with full information, go with yourself confident. And also, you know, if for those of you that didn't attend this convention, you can ask your uplines here. We have put little letters from the different government officials here in the bag, which will help you in expanding your business. So this is what I can offer to help you guys make a very nice life. So thank you so much for giving me this time to share a little words with your team. But then keep in touch, you know, and go and try to learn, because education is everything in life. If you learn, if you're open to learning, I think you'll be very prosperous in life. So enjoy and don't forget, be good.
Thank you so much. God bless. Thank you. Power.